So I guess I'm feeling like I'm going to be saying goodbye to one of my best friends. One of my soul siblings that I've met along my journey. I don't know. I feel like I know that it's coming to an end. I don't want it to, but I think these type of things are out of our control. I feel it's been a long journey. And it's been a lonely journey when it comes to these wondrous things that have been going on and these connections that I've made that I've kept secret or under wraps. Because nobody, or I feel nobody will understand. But if you are going to be leaving me, then I just wanted you to know how much you mean to me. When nobody else was there, regardless of what I thought. As far as you being one of the energies that were for me or against me, I'll never let you go in that way. And I will cherish everything that you taught me, whether it felt good or bad. And I ain't got nothing but love for you at the end of the day. Because you were there. Take care. And don't forget about me.